How to make header in Webflow. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to add a header to your Webflow website. Doing this is very simple. Simply click on the Add Elements button over here on the top left. Under Elements, you could select Sections or Container, but I would suggest that you choose Section and simply drag it to the top of your website. The first thing you're going to see is a box. Now this is what it's looking like for me, so let me delete that. But anyway, this is what it would look like for you. A simple box. All you need to do is to look over here on the right side, look under Flex Style, click on the Grow if possible option, and now you will have, or it will now extend to the full length of your website. And now you can put things inside of that specific section, whatever you want or you want to have. You could also choose layouts over here and use the starter library to help you make your header much easier. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.